Well, it's very interesting, and I'm very impressed by all these contributions about regulatory issues. It's something that in our case, in Medgrid case, is very important, and we consider that it is even more important than technical issues. But of course I'm here to speak about Medgrid from the technical side. But I am very happy to have attend the first part because that will brings us new ideas and a good knowledge of what is going on in that field from a European point of view and from other initiatives.
It's been very interesting. A few very good presentations, and I do like that we have had a few controversial issues on the table. So it has been kind of getting the audience going, which I think is really good. There's also, at least for me, that has been working in the industry for so long, it has been a few new things.
And now today it seems that we have been dealing a bit more specific with the high voltage DC technology and the cables installation. So very interesting and very broad scope.
Well, there's a lot of development going on, and a lot of people have the right idea and the right attitude to this challenge here. But I do believe, as I already discussing today and in the panel, that there must be some kind of organization behind that is taking the lead and also setting the direction and take the visionary lead and say this is the direction and we need to resolve it. Otherwise, we just or could be just talking and not acting.